Hi Scorpio, this is your reading. This is a timeless reading, and please don't get stuck with when it is uploaded. Whenever you see it is when you were meant to hear it. If you are watching this video, there is definitely some message for you. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. And you would know if it is meant for you. Alright, Scorpio. This is your energy reading. We'll be doing a past, present, future spread. Breathe in deep, Scorpio. Breathe in deep. Take a deep, deep, deep breath. Feel in the love when you breathe in. Feel in the gratitude. Feel in the divine grace. Feel in the harmony. Feel the oneness that you are breathing in, that you are made of. Let go of anything that no longer serves you. Let go of any attachments, desires that you've tried so hard holding on to. Integrate with your highest self. Merge with your highest self. In deep meditations, we'll always realize our true nature of love and peace and absolute stillness. That state is of pure bliss. Scorpio, this is your past, present, future reading. I have seen a lot of not for you card in the readings these days. And I guess we all are coming to an end of cycles of patterns that no longer serve us, that no longer needs our attention or time, that no longer is meant for us, is meant to teach us anything. Whatever lessons we have to learn, we have learned. You have imagined TikTok and not for you. Whatever you once thought and whatever you made your life, the way of being, the way of living, Scorpio, is changing, I feel. It's working as per the divine time. And it's not something in your control, I feel. Okay, I was shuffling the wrong deck. Sorry about that. We'll come to that deck towards the end of the reading. Since we have already shuffled that deck, I'll be just pulling out one card for you, Scorpio. Let's see. Let's see what the tarot speaks for Scorpio. This is your past, present, future spread. Don't get attached to anything that I say, I speak. Take it if it is for you, leave it if it's not. Scorpio, the overall energy for the reading is 5 of Pentacles. Okay, what is the 5 of Pentacles about? Wow, quite some conflict here. Scorpio, what's going on for you guys? The overall energy for the reading is the 5 of Pentacles. You are feeling abandoned or financially unstable, left out in the cold. Something or someone left you out in the cold. Let's see what that is. Okay. In the past, you have the Two of Swords, the Death, and the Five of Wands. Some sort of conflict, and I don't feel that this is an internal conflict. Something that is external to you. Conflict that is around you, happening with people, got you stuck in your mind a little too much. It kind of closed your heart off, you closed yourself from expressing, from maybe stepping out, from talking to people. In the present, you have the Nine of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Temperance. You have tried a lot to hold on to something. I don't know, I do get a feeling that this, for some of you, it could be a long-term relationship or marriage that you were trying so hard to hold on to. But this relationship has definitely taught you something. I just heard 9 years, something that has lasted in your life over a long period of time, could be 9-10 years, is suddenly no longer in your life, or is suddenly just taken away. Trust the divine plan. There is definitely something that the divine universe is trying to balance for you. And I guess you are in a good place of being single. If you are not, I think very soon you will be, standing all in your power, balancing all aspects of your life completely. Whether it's passion, whether it's spirituality, whether it's finances, I think you will strike a balance in your life. Whether it's your marriage, whether it's your passion, whether it's your finances. Scorpio, I guess that's the message I have for you guys. Let's see if I have to clarify something here. Okay, let's clarify the Five of Pentacles here for Scorpio, please. Wow. One more card, please. Are you serious? Come on. Can we have one more? Ooh, Scorpio. I think I'm glad I clarified. We get, for the Five of Pentacles, we get the Wheel of Fortune, the World, and the Sun. Something is changing for you, this ending of some sort. For some people, something that you thought is over, maybe coming back, maybe resurfacing. You may be working things out between you and the other person, if there is another person, or whatever situation that is that you are into. For some of you, you are completing this cycle for the good, for all the happiness that is waiting here for you. And I guess you have started tapping into that energy of self-reliant, of independence, of freedom, of love, of joy, of being so vulnerable yet so protected. I think you are protected by the divine, Scorpio. Yes, that's all I guess we needed clarity on. And let's now see what the divine wants to guide you with. Now, one message of guidance for my Scorpio here, please. One message of guidance for my Scorpio here, please. Alright, you have Manipura. It's a chakra in your body. Let's see what that is about. Solar plexus chakra. You have come to a place where you know exactly who you are. Gone are the days of confusion and blurred lines between your truth and the expectations of others. You have grounded into your essence and built the foundation of your empowered self. You have had to let go of many friendships and relationships that were no longer serving you to get to where you are, and it was all worth it. Now is the time. Now is your time to really go after what you want in life. What do you care about? What lights you up? How do you want to serve? Meditate on these questions and take action on what comes up. Whew, Scorpio, that's a wonderful ending to the reading. Indeed. Just stand in your power, Scorpio. Explore whatever it is that you have always wanted to explore as the child. Speak to the child within you. That soul, that wow. I'm so amazed with this reading. Whatever it is that you've been through or you are going through, just know that you are going to come out of it so strong. It's going to lead you to a place of absolute bliss, of so much independence, of so much freedom. Alright, Scorpio, that's the message I have for you guys. I hope this resonated with whoever had to hear this. If it doesn't, watch out for your moon, your rising, your Venus, or your Jupiter. Okay, guys, until next time, see you soon. Bye bye.